I will try to make ChatGPT design a 3D printable wind turbine. Let's check if that is achievable. I will try with first ChatGPT-4 and I will use same prompt with GPT-5. Here are the requirements I asked. I want it to be big enough to be able to charge my power bank so I can charge my mobile phone. I want 3D model files downloadable so I can print them in my 3D printer. I want to buy electronic parts easily. Provide a table with electronic part and where to get it from. It can be any e-commerce website. I want a blueprint assemble documentation with visuals to understand how to build it. And finally, provide a 3D simulation that shows it working. You can use WebGL or any other tech stack you prefer. Okay, it returned response fast. But actually, there is no downloadable HTML files. It directs to third-party websites to download from. And in the electronic parts table, there is no direct URLs. It just suggests to third-party e-commerce websites. And also there is no 3D simulation generated. Let's try same prompt on GPT-5 with small improvements. I don't want to be directed to 3D websites. I want ChatGPT to design STL files itself. It took a while to get a response in this trial. Yes, it looks like it generated something. But I got file not found error. Let's check assemble visuals. Didn't make much sense to me. Let's check the other one. This is similar. Let's download assembly guide here. Yeah, I will check here this one later. I tried 3D simulation generated, but it looks like it is not working. Here I can see an improvement in electronics part table. I can see direct URLs to exact parts to buy them. Assemble instructions looks very short and I think those will not be enough for me. Okay, I will ask again download kit that I got file not found error. During that period, let's check assemble guide. Those tips may be enough for experienced guys, but I don't think I can handle with these assemble guide. Okay, let's check STL files. It is amazing that ChatGPT generated 3D model files with a couple of prompts, but I am not sure the accuracy of these items. To sum up, I really like ChatGPT and use it every day in my job, but I am not sure if that is really a PhD level model now. What do you think? Thank you for watching. See you in next video.